asshole is still in charge, deporting my friends who work hard. My neighbor's eye even took an immigrant's job, but somehow we are all worse off. Food, gas, everything is more expensive. You fucking retard. Who do you think was keeping prices low? Manpower, hard workers, you know. Faceless Facebook pages arguing, showing how awful they all are. Happy that woman was shot in her car for a pedal, or maybe some metal. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Say they follow Jesus, but their shit is cursed. Privileged, hollow, and their kids probably won't talk to them. Turn off your TV, you can't learn a lot from them. Drowning, buried info, Fox News is racist, just showing their true blues. Faceless Facebook pages arguing, showing how awful they all are. Happy that woman was shot in her car for a pedal, or maybe some metal. Gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Say they follow Jesus, but their shit is cursed. I thought you knew you were a chud, a lost soulless bud, a potato brain baby that might need a hug. A bully, a beast, a loser, a thug, saying everyone else needs SSRI meds. You're mean, I think you need them instead.